Hills Naga Coordination Committee (FNCC) Imphal has categorically stated that there is no Kukiland in the state of Manipur. A press release issued by its media cell (FNCC) described Kukiland as an imaginary construction and the root cause of the ongoing conflict. The organization went on to allege that the modus operandi of this narrative is to distort facts and grab the indigenous people's land. Pointing out that the historical accounts and governmental records have clearly established that Kukis are not indigenous to Manipur, FNCC added that the community is migrants and refugees from Myanmar and Bangladesh. It also alleged that certain Kuki groups have recently made aggressive attempts to illegally rename geographical features and landmarks of the state such as Mount Kobru, Mount Thangjing and SP Road, calling it blatant efforts to override the ancestral heritage of the native communities. While asking to immediately stop the ongoing construction of illegal bunkers, makeshift shelters and road blockades by Kuki militant groups and their armed volunteers in Naga territories, it added that peaceful coexistence is possible if there is respect for historical truth and the rule of law.